Hi, it's Sasha here from HomeDesignsAI. Welcome to the Design Advisor tutorial. Our Design Advisor is your virtual interior design and architect expert, helping you transform your spaces with expert and personalized advice. Here's what makes our Design Advisor so powerful. So you get personalized design advice. Our AI is trained to understand your specific needs. All you have to do is chat with our design advisor to receive detailed, tailored recommendations. Number 2, instant solutions. Need help with layouts, colors, or design styles? Our design advisor can guide you step by step. 3, expert guidance. Our design advisor is trained on an extensive knowledge of interior design and architecture. 4, our design advisor is available 24/7 and is super easy to use. All you have to do is chat with it. And if you're stuck in a design rut, our design advisor can help you by sparking creativity and inspiration. Finally, budget-friendly solutions. You can ask for cost-effective solutions, and our design advisor will give you step-by-step guides on how to achieve this. Just ask the AI anything and you'll receive a range of recommendations from color palettes, styles, textures, materials, lighting, anything you can think of. So who can actually benefit from using our design advisor tool? Number 1 is homeowners. They can receive instant tailored feedback by simply chatting with our AI. Interior designers can use this to gain fresh perspectives on clients' projects. This can help them in terms of color palette, design ideas, and styles. And finally, realtors can enhance property staging from professional advice from our design advisor to make the listing more appealing. And that's the Design Advisor tool. This tool is your go-to resource for personalized, detailed design guidance. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. You can also access support by clicking the Need Help icon in the right-hand corner. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for a detailed breakdown on the different modules available on HomeDesignsAI.